Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can increase speed of your video or how to make video faster in the Movavi Video Editor. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just click on your video and you will already hear speed. We want to just increase it to 200% or let's delete this and this and this. And you can see when you increase the speed of your video is much shorter. And you can see Spider-Man is flying really hard. Okay, it's lagging a little bit now, but you get the idea. I mean, the frame rate is really quick and really cool. I love this. So yeah, Spider-Man is going on it. Thank you very much everybody for watching.